Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So this is going to be a quick video. I know I haven't done the breakout strategy really in a while. Been focused a lot on crypto, but I found the perfect setup basically on Nike. Nike does look like it's basically the perfect setup for the breakout strategy. We have, your low to high. It looks like we're going to be closing a weak candle above relative highs of 174.59. We are at 175.90. So, and we are also still, we actually created a bull trigger on the weekly back on the week of October 11th. So October 11th, just on a regular swing would have been the perfect entry at 158 bucks. So from here to here, you would have seen possibly a really good percentage return. I'm not going to use a forecast because this isn't, about that swing, but we are getting into overextended levels on the stochastic. Whenever that happens, Nike likes pushing a lot when the stochastic levels are overextended and when we're still in a bull cycle on the reverse MACD. So as of right now, I'm debating whether or not to buy shares or calls on Nike. If you remember when I started the breakout series, my very first trade for the breakout was actually right here. I think back in June, and it actually hit, really well. We did like 200-300% gain on Nike. It was a great move, and I think right now it's about to do the same thing. So keep in mind, if you're looking at buying shares, right, right now, you would see a 10% gain from current price. So first take profit, second take profit would be like 15-16%, and the third take profit, which is the riskiest, would be somewhere around like 20-ish% gain, possibly closer to 18%, 20% gain. But as of right now, Nike looks like it's the perfect setup for that breakout strategy. Again, I will not be purchasing any Nike until like right before the bell, until we close. But because I want to see confirmation. I don't want to buy in early and then Nike decides to drop to like 160 bucks, right? Or it doesn't end up closing that candle over previous relative highs, right? As of right now, it does look like it is going to be closing over relative highs, which would make it a perfect entry. But again, I don't do things based off of what I think is going to happen. I do things based off of what I know is going to happen, right? So I will be waiting for confirmation. Maybe I'll probably buy into Nike like 30 minutes before the bell, just to have that extra, confirmation that, it's very likely that we're going to be closing a bullish week. The candle's going to be closing above relative highs. The daily looks great. It actually just hit a bull trigger, on November 3rd, and it responded extremely well. The monthly also looks like it already closed a bull month back in October. So we are officially in a fully confirmed bullish cycle, right? The monthly is bullish, the weekly is bullish, the daily just went bullish about 2 days ago. So this I can definitely see playing out in about a month or so, maybe possibly a month and a half. If I were to get calls, I'd probably buy two month out calls for like 194. I would probably just buy like one. Me personally, I'm probably just gonna buy one $175 call for like 2 months out, just to play it. I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money and risk a lot of my balance, on this play. But I still think it has a relatively good chance of hitting super hard. So Nike is basically the perfect play right now. You have a super low entry, candle is closing above relative highs, and I think we're going to be looking at a 194, 204 Nike maybe in the next 2 months or so. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.